Jade plant is an interesting plant which starts to look like tree in shape as it grows. It has a main leader trunk which becomes thicker and woodier as it ages. For propagation a jade plant, just remove a healthy leaf from a healthy plant, cut off carefully or just twist it slightly until it comes away easily. Leave in a warm area so it can callus over. Plan the leaf cutting. Just fill a small pot with appropriate potting mix and lightly tamp down. Compost should be slightly moist but not wet. Lay the leaf on the surface of the soil and cover the cut end lightly with a tiny bit of soil to encourage roots. Place in bright light away from direct sun. Don't water yet. Once you notice your little leaf cuttings has grown roots and has rooted well, water it lightly. You will see there will be a tiny plant growing at the end of the leaf. Treat your mini plant with care and from on now.